Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to find profile URL link. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to find Twitter URL link. First of all, you can open the Twitter or X application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can see the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it. After tapping on it, you can see the option profile. Tap on profile. After tapping on profile, make sure if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do. Trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. Now continue the video. You can just simply see the share or arrow option at the top right corner of the screen. Just simply tap on it. After tapping on it, you can just simply see the option copy link to profile. You can now copy link to your profile, and after copy the link, it is the way you can find Twitter profile URL. And if this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.